Hello and welcome to Proceq UT8000 Tutorial 10, Corrosion Grid. Following actions are possible on completion of this tutorial. We'll create and navigate a grid, we'll start the measurement, repeat a last measurement, toggle the view to live mode, and then review the grid measurements. Now to creating and navigating a grid. So we start off as normal by calibrating the baseline and sensitivity. As in tutorials 6 and 7, you can do this in pulse echo or dual mode. Then switch the measurement mode to grid in measurement presets. I can show you that now. I'm going to calibrate. I'm using my dual probe. And then in the measurement presets menu, I can switch the measuring mode to corrosion grid. So I can define the size of the grid by pressing the double arrow green-blue symbol. And then I will define the direction of measurements by pressing the grey double arrow symbol. I'll show you now how that works. So with my finger, I can drag the grid to whatever distance I need, and then press that icon to show which direction I'm going to scan in. I have three options there. So now I can show you how to start a measurement. Now you've set up your grid. You take the measurements by pressing the record button, which is just below the play button and above the trash can on the left panel there. And when I press the record button, it will take the measurement and then move on to the next cell in the sequence I've defined when I was setting up the grid. If I want to repeat a measurement, I can select it in the grid and repeat it. Let me show you that. I'm going to take a measurement, select it, it will highlight in a blue-green. I can delete it and select back that and record again. I'll show you a delete and a delete, and then I can go back. So I can delete the previous measurement made and then retake that measurement. If I want to see live view, I can see the A-scan behind each measurement. Use a two-finger swipe gesture on the main grid view. Then you two-finger swipe back to return to the grid. Let me show you. So you see I can change the gate. The gate will update. That gate 1 shows the position, the reading in the grid. I move that back to the thickness and it shows 11. But I can swipe two fingers to get to that A-scan. This is to show you the finish and reviewing the grid measurements. So once the last square has been recorded, the file is complete and cannot be appended. I can show you what happens, that the options will grey out once you've finished. I'm nearly at the end of my reading. Last one is done, and the record button is now greyed out. You can't take any more measurements. So in review mode, you can view and post-process the A-scan behind every measurement. So now I'm going to open up tutorial video 6 and show you what we can do. This could be, for example, a file you've sent to someone, so they can view behind every cell the exact A-scan there. Say the gate or the gain is in the wrong position, you can move the gate, you can change that, and you get the updated value straight away in the grid. So now you know all about the grid feature. Thank you.